Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered which accounting software is going to benefit you and your business, you've come to the right place. I'm going to have a look at Wave Accounting software. I'm also going to have a look at QuickBooks, and we're going to check out which one is the better option. So let's check them out. So the first thing I would like to do is go through Wave and just highlight some of the features which you can find on waveapps.com. You can see over here some of the features include invoicing, payments, all of your accounting needs, a mobile receipt. That's fantastic. You can organize all of your payroll if you have staff working for you, and then you have advisors. Now, some of these things are very basic, such as the invoicing and the payments and even the accounting. Some of the nice things though here is you can include your payroll in Wave. So I believe that it's nice to manage everything in one place. So if you're able to pay your suppliers, pay your staff, have them on a payroll, a proper professional payroll, and not just making payments to them, as well as have somewhere where you can receive your money, that is absolutely fantastic. You also have the advisors, which I mentioned earlier, and this is great because if you're uncertain about something, you can actually have expert advice. Okay, so as you're going through here, you will be able to find all the information that you need. Now, one of the very important things that is always looked at when looking at especially accounting software, because it might become very complex, very complicated, but Wave is actually built for the regular everyday person wanting to manage the bookkeeping or finance part of their business. So it's not produced for an accountant or somebody that has experience with accounting. Okay, you can see that all the information that they're giving you is information to help you as an individual manage the finances within your own business or within a business without having to have all of the accounting qualifications and understanding of the software. So it is absolutely fantastic. It is feature rich, and you can add a bunch of other apps into Wave so that you can manage everything in one place. So having a look at QuickBooks over here, you can see you have a lovely dashboard. You can see absolutely everything from your dashboard. You can add all of your bank accounts here. You can see a overview of your profit and loss as well as your expenses. It's lovely. You've got tons of things that you can actually go ahead and do here in QuickBooks. So from the transactions, you can make bank transactions, you can create receipts, you can reconcile, you can create your own rules so that within your QuickBooks account, it's easy for you to automate everything. You can also see that it's got a sales tab, so you can manage all of your sales invoices, all your customers, all your products and services as well. So once you start building all of these things in the beginning of your QuickBooks journey, everything else will automate thereafter. Of course, you can manage your expenses, and you can generate leads. Over here you can manage all of your marketing. Again, there is an app store which you can jump into, and you can actually add apps into QuickBooks so that you can do everything in one place. It just makes everyone's life a whole lot easier than jumping from one app to another app, having to manage one single business or even one single project. So the one thing I'd like to mention about Wave is that it's only available in the US and Canada, which basically rules out quite a few other countries, to be quite honest. QuickBooks is pretty decent, and in this comparison, I'm going to have to go and say that QuickBooks does win this one. In my opinion, it just seems a little bit easier to use. I did run through Wave a little bit, but QuickBooks does seem a little bit more sort of basic and great for a beginner case. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We will see you next time. Peace out.